Hi, Professor Rodriguez. This is Michelle Brown Osborne, and today is Sunday, February 18th, and this is week 6 lab video, which we're looking at muscle physiology, and this is exercise 3 from the lab that we did. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you the vertical jump, and there's two different jumps that I will show you. One is considered a maximum vertical jump without the stretch shortening cycle, and then there's a max vertical jump that is with the stretch shortening cycle. So I'll show you those two jumps, and the first thing that's important to do is to measure the average standing height. And so that you do, I did this practicing first, and I realized I should measure out the tape first, or do the tape loops. So you create the tape loop, you put it over your dominant hand, which is my right hand, over your middle finger, like so, and you want to make sure that your fingers are kind of taut next to it. So I will take you to the wall and show you. So the important thing to do is make sure your arm is directly above without overextending it. So let me see if this can, that works. I think that will do for now. Okay, so I stand parallel against the wall. I extend my right arm up. So that part is done. I think I was at I'll look at my paper, I think I was at 203 centimeters standing height with the extended arm. So the next jump, the next part I will demonstrate to you is the jump without the stretch shortening cycle. And that is basically you're standing, you're starting out with a squat and then jumping. So I'm always used to doing squats with my arms extending outwards, so basically you start off with the jump like, it's counterintuitive, but you start with your arms back and then you jump, okay? And then I will do that right here. That will have to do. Okay. So anyways, so I start out like here. Okay. And then what I do is I take a tape measure and I measure it up to the very top. So I did this exercise already, so I do this jump 3 times and then I average out the height. And then the next jump is the vertical jump with the stretch shortening cycle. And what that does is you start off standing, then you squat, then you jump. So that's very important. So hopefully that helps. Maybe that will help. We'll see. Okay. So I stand, and then I stand, and then like that. Okay. So let's take a look at it closer. This is the standing height. That second one is without the stretch, and the first one is with the stretch. So as you can tell, whenever you do the stretch shortening cycle, with the stretch shortening cycle, you usually get a much higher jump height, vertical jump. And then on my lab, yeah, I averaged 5 centimeters taller. So yeah, that's the important thing to know about this lab, is that the stretch shortening cycle, it allows that spoil, like that spring coil likes. I can't talk. It allows that spring in your body, and so it's pretty neat to study it. So thanks, Professor.